This is the new Tag Life. Manual. So what you get? 7/8, 13/16, 3/4, 11/16. And you get the charger. You get the 4 amp hour battery, 20-volt Tag Life clip, and tool, which I'll show you later. Hey, thanks for dropping in. If you're new, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It's totally free. Won't break the bank, I promise. So guys, second time doing this. I lost the footage. It was a while ago when I was doing this, but I'm going to have to do it again. That's 250 foot-pounds. You see that? I'll put you up here. I got this set up here, this nut in the vise. Okay. I'm going to be in your way, but... That's click. Let's do it one more time. Why not? Since I had to do it the second time. Get my fat ass. Get my fat ass on that lever. Hey guys, so as you seen on that test, 250 foot-pounds. This thing took it off on the first setting. Now, I don't know if this is just a gimmick. Maybe it's maxed out. I don't know. You know, I did buy it for taking off lug nuts, and you know, so lug nut 110 is usually the maximum that I put on a lug nut. So if it can take 250 foot-pounds off, then it's not a loss. It's a good thing. I wanted a battery one just to, you know, quickly be out and do small jobs. But if it can do more, then that's even a bigger bonus. We were at Princess Auto. We seen it there, $120 or something. I picked it up. She said, "Well, let me check Amazon." She's good that way, and checked Amazon, and it was 60. I mean, for 60 bucks, you can't go wrong if it can take off 250 foot-pounds. You already seen the 250 foot-pounds it took off. In real life, I just wanted to try and take off the 110 foot-pounds, the lug nuts on the Rogue. So let's go out and we'll see if it does that. Wouldn't it be embarrassing if it didn't take that off? What's it on the first setting? Yep. The impact wrench, I've used it quite a bit now, and I'm going to have to say that it's an okay tool. It's pretty good. You know, for $60, I've taken off a lot, as you can probably see, the scrap. So I've taken off a lot of rusted bolts. So hopefully now I can finish this video. It's been a long time trying to put things together so that you could see if it's any good or not. Thanks, guys.